So we are here on the front. She had drawn caricatures. This is the card made by Suzanne for her parents in those crucial hours of the journey. That was a small child of 7 years old. See how incredible card he had made, or she had tried to make her parents comfortable. She had drawn caricatures of Mary and father with the words, here are some funny people. Did they make you laugh? So to her parents she had called funny people. Okay, I laughed a lot means narrator laughed a lot as well. Inside of that greeting card there was a message. Oh, how I love you both. So this card is to say thank you and let's hope for the best. Somehow we had to make it. Mean to say here, such a small child of 7 years old had filled a lot of creativity and one more thing, positivity in the parents in those crucial hours when they were not sure whether they would alive or be dead in that journey. Still the child was making the parents positive. I checked and rechecked my calculations. Children, this point you will write in the narrator's effort. That is a long question. Okay. 4 to 5 efforts you have already written. This you will write. Narrator had checked and rechecked his calculations. Like this we will change it. Okay. He had checked and rechecked his calculations. They had lost their main compass. We will change into they. We have lost our main compass and I was using a spare which had not been corrected for magnetic variation. So this you will change how? They had lost their main compass. Children, compass means in which any person can see the north direction. Okay, so that is the compass, not your mathematical instrument. That is another compass which show you the directions. He had lost his main compass and he was working with another spare compass or extra compass, and he was not sure whether that spare or extra compass was showing him the right direction or not. But still he was not left with any other option, so he was using that compass. I made an allowance for this and another estimate of the influence of the westerly currents. Here westerly currents mean to say west winds. West wind. About west wind you must have learnt in your geography. Okay, westerly currents which flow towards this part of the Indian Ocean. Now their situation was in the Indian Ocean they were traveling and they were struggling with the storm. Fine. At 2 p.m. I went on the deck and asked. So children, next effort of narrator right over here. Then after checking his calculations, he had gone. Went is the second form, children. As per our direct and indirect rule, it will change into had and third form of the verb. You must know this thing. You have learned. About 2 p.m., he had gone on the deck and asked Larry. Larry was our crewman. He asked Larry to steer a course of. Children, underline this. What instructions were given by the narrator to Larry? Write a question. Come on with you. Which instructions were given? Which instructions were given by the narrator to Larry? Here you can write. The instruction which were given to the Larry is to steer a course of 185 degree. Okay, this you will write. To steer a course of 185 degree. Then he is saying, if they had been lucky, was were changed into had been. If they had been lucky, I told him, means here you will say he had told him. He had told him with a conviction that he had not felt. I'm trying to tell you the changes also. I did not feel he could expect to see the island at about 5 p.m. So children, what happened over here? Firstly, he had given an instruction to the Larry to change the direction of the wave walker for 185 degree. Okay, this direction was changed. He was assuming after doing the calculation that if they had been lucky at 5 p.m. This instruction was given at 2 p.m. Means after 3 hours, if they had been lucky, they could reach at those islands, okay, or one island named Il Amsterdam. Okay, this was the assumption, or this instruction was given to Larry. Then, with a heavy heart, I went below cabin on my bunk, and amazingly, children, remember, from 3 days they have not slept. So when with a heavy heart, because after this calculation, this was the only last hope for the narrator to find an island and to take some rest on that island, and they also could get a chance to repair their broken boat. Okay, so after giving this instruction, with a heavy heart, I went below. Means narrator went below in his cabin and amazingly dozed off. Amazingly he was slept. Dozed off means sleep. He slept off. When I woke up it was 6 p.m. See children, according to his assumption, at 5 p.m. he wanted to, or he was expecting to reach at that island at 5 p.m. But when he woke up it was 6 p.m. When he woke up he looked at the watch and growing dark, it was growing dark. I knew we must have missed the island. So he expected that at 5 p.m. he could reach at that island with the wave walker, but he slept and it was 6 p.m. So he was sure that they have missed the island, means their boat had gone further. Growing dark, I knew we have missed the island, and with a sail we had left. We couldn't hope to beat back into these westerly winds. West winds are the most strong winds in that part of the Indian Ocean. So that's why he is saying we could not hope to beat back, means we could not take U-turn, or we could not turn our ship because the west winds could not have happened this. At that moment, now what happened when he was just making these kind of thoughts, or he was in tension, at that moment a trowels had appeared to my by my bunk.